show. Looking forward to getting to Los Angeles and kicking it off.
Good shot, Red 2.
Yeah, the wrestling world is fired up this week, and we're going to get things kicked off this week with a...
That's a fucking red light, numbnuts. What the fuck?
Jesus, I'm getting sick and tired of saying this, but our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to none other than...
Jesus Christ. There's a good one. If this guy's gonna stop. Fucking... The fuck are you doing? Christ! Straight through a giveaway line of a slip road, straight out in front of me. Cream pie, pissant, fucktard, 86 rim job. Total fucking lunatic. Unbelievable.
What's it mean? We don't know what it means, you know. You guys are, you actually listen to my commentary, I'll be damned. You know, it's stupid. So I quit using it.
What in the fuck is this Honda driver doing? Ah, for fuck's sake. Get out of the fucking... See that white truck just flew down the left lane and went around him. So he's got the shits with him. Get out of the goddamn overtaking lane, dickwad. Goddamn Honda drivers. Ugh, how annoying. Me needy. Jesus, this guy's fucking... this guy's annoying. Look at him. Dickwad. Get out of the way.
Bad dude, but another UFC fighter. And officially, he is the baddest mother effer in the game. After what we saw at Will Snake Diaz. That's a hell of a fight.
What about old Bubba Watt?
Look at this asshole. We've got a cum stain, gonorrhea, 7-8.
Much like making a big announcement at Madison Square Garden, we knew that going head-to-head, whether it was for a short period, was an experiment. We knew that it was an experiment. It was never intended to be or committed to be any kind of a long-term decision.
What an idiot. You got a cream pie, knob jockey, ass clown, 6'9", Eugene. Straight through a goddamn red light to stop at a red light. Now, and we're actually going to pass them here, so they got absolutely nowhere by doing it. Idiot. What's he? Whoa! What the fuck are you doing, numbnuts? God, idiot almost hit the wall. Probably would have spun it around and caused a bloody major pile up. What the hell were you doing? mean, my first choice is on the phone. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. What are they doing? Jesus. I'm looking behind right now thinking, I hope the car behind me keeps some distance because we're going to crash soon. I do not want to be behind this person. That's just nuts. Start something. Yeah, good one. How you doing? And another numbnuts. Got Arse Clown, Dictard, Cumstain. 7 something. You know, we're doing 17 kilometers an hour. They could just be lane filtering between the lines of traffic, but instead they've got to use the shoulder illegally, bicycle lane.
If you step foot off, I'll be ready. I'll head home from the office and we'll make it happen.
All right, whatever you want to do.
Oh, this
you're the
idiot.
You're the pot.
Total idiot. Not only is he illegally running down the shoulder, total moron, he's doing it at bloody like 80k or more. What a fucking idiot. Alright, let's go. Yeah, no. No. Oh, for fuck's sake, just fucking go. Stop slowing down, stop using the brakes, stop fucking up the overtaking lane, and just fucking go. That should be the new slogan for the RMS. Just fucking go. Instead of telling drivers, keep an eye out for this, and watch your blind spots, and, you know, don't drink and drive, leave this gap, you know, click, clack, front and back, buckle up, you know, if you're going to drink and drive, you need a plan B, or none of that shit. Just change the slogan to just fucking go. That would solve most traffic problems in this goddamn country.